Japanese pronunciation becomes much clearer once you understand this one sound. It's small, tsu, easy to miss, and extremely important. Today, we're learning the double consonant sound, written with a small tsu in hiragana and a small tsu in katakana. This sound doesn't add a new letter sound of its own. Instead, it creates a short pause before the next consonant. That pause is what changes meaning in Japanese. Let's start simple. When you see a small tsu or tsu, you stop very briefly before the next sound. It's not longer. It's not louder. It's just a clean, silent pause. Think of it like holding your breath for a split second. Now listen carefully to the difference. Saka, saka. In the first one, the sounds flow smoothly. In the second one, there is a pause before the ka. That pause is the double consonant. Here's another example. Kite, kite. The only difference is that short pause. But in Japanese, that pause changes the word. This is why the small tsu is so important. Now, let's talk about where the sound appears. The small tsu always comes before consonant sounds like ka, sa, ta, pa, or similar. It never comes before vowels. It also never stands alone. It only prepares the next consonant. When you pronounce it, your mouth gets ready for the next sound, then releases it. Let's practice with a few clear examples. Gaku, gaku. Hata, hatta. Saki, saki. Each time, notice the pause before the next sound. That pause is the double consonant. Now, let's look at katakana. The rule is exactly the same. The sound does not change at all. Only the writing system changes. Kohi is smooth. Kappu has a pause before pu. The small tsu works the same way in katakana as it does in hiragana. Same sound, same rule. Now here's a very important listening tip. Do not try to pronounce the small tsu as a sound. Do not say tsu. Native speakers never pronounce it. They pause. If you say the pause correctly, your pronunciation will instantly sound more natural. A helpful trick is this. If you can clap your hands between the two sounds, you're doing it right. Saki feels like sa key. That tiny space is the key. Before we finish, let's practice listening and speaking. Listen to these pairs and feel the difference. Kata, katta. Iki, ikki. Tote, totte. Say them slowly at first, then say them naturally. Once your ear catches the pause, your mouth will follow. And that's it. The small tsu is not difficult. It's not a new sound. It's just timing. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and keep practicing out loud. You're doing great.